Hi friends, welcome to my exam coaching classes. So first of all, thank you so much for watching my videos and thank you so much for your support. So today I have brought a surprise for you. I'm not going to take any classes today. I brought a surprise gift for all of you. So what is the gift? My exam coaching is launching the new learning app. So the new learning app is already live in the Play Store. You can download the My Exam Coaching app from Google Play Store today. So when you download this app, what's the advantage for you? So this app is a learning app which is exclusively for those students who are preparing for the competitive examinations. Okay, so kindly download the app. When you download the app, you have to mention you are preparing for which course. Maybe you are preparing for IBPS or SBI PO. Maybe you are preparing for Staff Selection Commission exam. Maybe you are preparing for RRB or any other competitive exam. You have to mention you are preparing for what exam. So accordingly, I can customize the syllabus for you and I can add you to the concerned batch. This is number one. Then this app, when you go to this app, you have to go to the store section of the app. Inside the store section, you will see a lot of courses available in the app. So as per your choice, you can go to the concerned course, and if you want, you can purchase the courses. Okay. So when you purchase any course, for example, you have purchasing the course of quantitative aptitude or reasoning or any other course, what you actually are going to get from this course? We have the complete syllabus covered, and we have the complete video classes. We have live classes as well as recorded classes in the app. Then we will be giving you the complete PDF notes chapter wise. Then we will have the complete fully solved previous year question papers. Then we have sample papers uploaded in the app. Apart from that, a test portal is also available. You can practice live online mock test series. Any number of series you can practice before your main exam. This is one of the very good advantage downloading this app. Okay, so how to download the app, how to go to the courses, how to purchase the course, how to attend the classes, everything is given as an animated video by the end of this video. So I request you student, it's a great news for you. So what are you waiting for? Go to the Play Store and download the app now. Or you can download it from the link is given in the description. Click on the link and download it now. Okay, so we will meet in the course, and all the very best. Take your preparations to the next level. Take care. Bye bye.